Grow your grammar step by step. Learn with Carmelita. Welcome. Learn these words fast. Hectic. It's an adjective in the sentence, and it means very busy and full of activity, often in a stressful way. You can also describe a situation or a schedule. Example sentences we have: my schedule is hectic. Back to back meetings made my day hectic. So instead of saying very busy, you can say hectic. Next one, we have devastated. It's an adjective in the sentence, and it means emotionally shattered or deeply upset. Very sad. Example sentence: after failing the exam, he felt completely devastated. So instead of saying very sad, you can say devastated. Next one, we have stunning. It's an adjective in the sentence, and it means extremely beautiful or impressive. Example sentences we have: her smile is absolutely stunning. He gave her a stunning necklace for her birthday. So instead of saying very beautiful, you can say stunning. Next one, we have clueless. It's an adjective in the sentence too. It means having no knowledge, understanding, or idea about something, completely no idea at all. Example sentences we have: the boy is clueless about math. He was clueless about how to fix the computer. So instead of saying I don't know, you can say I am clueless. Next word we have ecstatic. It's an adjective in the sentence, and it means feeling or showing overwhelming happiness or joyful excitement. We say very happy. Example sentences we have: I'm ecstatic. She was ecstatic when she heard she had passed the exam with top marks. So instead of saying very happy, you can say ecstatic. Now let's practice with these activities. Guess the word, spot the mistake, fill the gap, and find the match. Are you ready? Guess the word. No knowledge or idea about something. Clueless. Next one. Very sad or deeply upset. Devastated. Next we have very beautiful. Stunning. Next, joyful, excitement, and very happy. Ecstatic. Next, guess the word. Very busy in a stressful way. Hectic. Next, we have spot the mistake. He had a morning hectic and forgot his homework. Hectic is incorrect. We have to say he had a hectic morning and forgot his homework. Remember, hectic is an adjective, not a noun in the sentence. Spot the mistake. I clueless when it comes to computers. Clueless. We have to say I feel so clueless when it comes to computers. We have to remember clueless is an adjective, not a verb in a sentence. Spot the mistake. She wore a dress to the party stunning. Stunning. We have to say she wore a stunning dress to the party. We have to remember stunning is an adjective, not an adverb in the sentence. Next one, spot the mistake. She devastated when her dog went missing. Devastated. We have to say she was devastated when her dog went missing. Remember, devastated is an adjective, not a verb in the sentence. Next, spot the mistake. The ecstatic were children to see snow for the first time. Incorrect. Ecstatic. We have to say that children were ecstatic to see snow for the first time. Again, ecstatic is an adjective, not a noun in the sentence. Fill the gap. The sunset over the ocean was absolutely blank. Stunning or ecstatic? The sunset over the ocean was absolutely stunning. Next, fill the gap. He looked blank after failing the final exam, devastated or hectic. He looked devastated after failing the final exam. Next, the mall was blank during the holiday rush. Hectic or ecstatic? The mall was hectic during the holiday rush. Next, fill the gap. I have a new job and I'm really blank about what to do. Devastated or clueless? I have a new job and I'm really clueless about what to do. Next one, fill the gap. I was blank when I got the job offer. Clueless or ecstatic? I was ecstatic when I got the job offer. Next one, find the match. We have the words hectic, devastated, ecstatic, clueless, and stunning. Very sad, very happy, very busy, and very beautiful, or no idea. First one, hectic means very busy. Devastated means very sad. Ecstatic means very happy. Clueless means no idea. And stunning means very beautiful. Which word did you find most useful today? Share it in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more videos in the future. Thank you.